Once again, a very good morning, everyone. This side is Megha Narayan. This is video 3 for the chapter 8 HTML Advanced Features. In our previous videos, we had learned heading tag, then font tag, BR tags, as well as the horizontal rule tags, etc. Now is the time to learn more advanced tags itself. Moving on toward this one only, in this class we would be learning a new tag known as marquee tag. Before we learn how and when to use it, let's know what exactly this tag is all about. Marquee tag is actually an element used to insert a scrolling of text. What does that mean? So in order to remove the confusion, the best way or the best example I will be relating you with is in the case of marquee tag. Before we will be doing it, before that, let me tell you, whenever you are visiting websites, web pages, some number of the times what happens, a text is coming onto the screen from one side to the another. That particular text is actually scrolling. What is it? It is a scrolling from one side of the screen and moving towards the another side. That is all done by which tag? Marquee tag. So this one is an interesting one. Let's learn it, how to use it. So this is marquee, the name of the tag, opening of marquee tag. Here is the closing of the marquee tag. Whatever you are writing in between these tags, that particular text will be doing, it will be scrolling at the same time. All right. So now let's see. This was all about the marquee tag. Coming up to the next one is adding comments in HTML. Now HTML adding comments, what does that mean? There are some number of the lines that are not displayed at the browser. These are only done for the programmer purpose, like the lines written onto the notepad on the screen. I repeat, which are not shown on the web pages. You are only writing them in notepad, but they are not coming onto the web pages. Those lines are actually called as HTML comments, right? Now, why are they used? So their particular is written in this first line. Comments are not displayed by the browser, but they can help document your HTML. With comments, you can place notification itself. Now, how to write it? In order to write it, it involves 3 steps. Steps to add the comments. Step number 1, type tag like this. It is called as not. What is it called as? Not. But at the same time, this is also used for writing the comments. So type this, the exclamatory sign available in your keyboards itself. Okay. Exclamatory sign, not sign, like that we are is type the required comments. Whatever comment you want to, you can write it over there and then simply close it. Best example you can see here, angular bracket or tags is starting with this not. You are writing your text here and later on it is closed. So whatever is written in this angular bracket will not be appeared onto the HTML screen or the web browser screen. You can only write not visible onto the web page. Now the advanced feature, one more is there, background and text color tags. In this particular tag, we will learn how to change, I repeat, how to change the background color of the page. How to change what? How to change the background color of the page. Let's read out the first one. The attribute BG color is used for changing the background color. The BG color is equals to green. This is the way how to write it. Okay, the way is body. Which color is that? BG color stands for background color. Background color, BG color equals to green. Here green is taken. So in the result you can see the screen is coming of which color? Green color. I repeat, which color? Green color. The next one is for the another tag. Which tag? Text color tag. So text is used to change the color of the enclosed text. That means here it is written body text equals to white. Then you are writing the text like Global Information Channel. White is written now. So this text will be appeared in which color? White color. I repeat, which color? White color. We will be thoroughly discussing it. Okay. Before that, let's move to the next one. That is the image tag. In many web pages, you have seen an image is also appearing on that web page, right? Many number of the images are coming onto the screen. Now, I had made one website. I had made one web page right now. Let's take an example of a web page. So I had taken a web page. In that web page, I want to just have various numbers of the images. Okay, in order to make it more interactive, I want to just have that particular web page with various numbers of the images. The question arises, how should I do it? This involves one more tag known as image tag. So first of all, read out the first line itself. To need to use the src attribute. Which attribute? Src, known for the source. Src stands for source. The value of the src attribute is the URL, stands for Uniform Resource Locator of the image you want to display on the page. In simple language, I can explain these both lines in the way any image on your web page, you will use this command. Image src, src stands for source. Then you will write the complete address of the web page. Whenever you are visiting anyone's place, you used to have address, no? Same way, whenever computer is searching, it also needs an address. A complete address is needed. So in that case, you will be writing like drive C, then the name of the documents. Like that, you will be illustrating the complete address. Once the address is completely written, then the particular image can be easily displayed on the screen. There is a doubt? Don't worry, we will be solving it at the end of this video also. I will show you practically how to do it. Here involves the code and the result of the image at the same time. The above one written is taking an image. File folder is C. Under this particular C drive, no, folder is Windows. In that, this is the name of the particular image, zaptalk.bmp. This is the name of the image. Rest are the attributes given. Align, that means it should be aligned in which direction? Towards the left. What should be the width? 48. What should be the height? 48. And then that is img image on the screen. It is written in the same way. The second command involves align right. Towards which side? Towards the right. Okay. And once it is written towards the right, alignment again is written in the case of 48 and height as again 48 written. Rest it is closed. Coming up to the background, as you can see bubbles, as you can see on the screen, bubbles are coming now. So in the same way, what happens in this one, you had taken body background, the complete address of the particular image you want to set it as a background. That particular image you will put it here, over here. Then the text as white. Now the rest of them is closed, and therefore the particular coding is done in this way. This was all about it. Now let's take it out onto the practical basis. In this video, we have learned two things, most of which is the most important one I will be telling you. The first one we had learned is about the background color. So here I had written computer 7 is under again the title, written here body, and this is the command that we had learned this time, how to set the background color of the particular screen. Here I'm taking the background color as yellow. What is that? Yellow color I'm taking as the background color. So therefore, I'm saving it. Just look onto this only, body background color equals to yellow. Okay. because of this line onto the web page whichever we are having, that color will be now changed as yellow. What will be the color? As yellow. The next is how to set or how to put an image, insert an image onto the web page. This is the second tag we had learned in this video. In this one, we are writing img for the image, src for source. We have learned src stands for source. Next is this particular double quotes. Under this double quotes, you will write the complete address, like in C drive, a folder named as users. In that, again, a folder is there as Lenovo. Again, in that, another folder as desktop. And the last one, this is the name of the file, images.jpg. All right, once that is done, you will simply close this body. This is extra written. All right, once that is done, you will simply close the body and then the HTML. Now let's look on to the result. Then I will teach you how to get this complete address. From where we can get this complete address, I will teach you. Before that, let me show you. BG color will be yellow and there will be a picture. So let's come on to the browser. Look here. The background color is yellow and picture is already inserted. Okay. Now let's talk about how to get this particular image address. This was the image I had taken. I'm sharing my screen with you already. You can see my screen. This is the one. Right click on it. Come to the properties. In this, you can see this is the complete address written. You will control C. That means copy it from here. This is the name of the file, images. Opening this. This I had pasted till here. All right. The same is written in properties also. Once I had written it, rest will be the name of the particular file. Here the name of the file is images. What is the name? Images. .jpg. Once that is done, the particular image will be therefore visible onto the web page. These two were there that were supposed to be practiced. Rest of the things you can do is, in spite of this BG color, no, we can also insert here image as the background image. Look here, this BG color we had done. Rest we can do is putting a particular background also as an image, body background. In that case, you can write the complete address of that image and the particular image will be coming on the particular background of that web page. All right. So this was all about it. One more thing you can do is this image we had learned how to do it, insert it. That also we had done. Body color was one more thing that is provided here. Body text equals to white. So in the same thing, we can be putting it here also. In this case, I can do it body text, okay, equals to whichever color you want to. So I'm putting here red. That's it. And can see the particular difference here. So it is coming off red color. The color of this body text is now changed. This was all about this video. In the next part, we would be learning the further contents. Till that time, keep practicing HTML. All right. Okay. Thank you.